Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to sign up for Planet Fitness. We will also put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Then on this page, click on Join Us. First, you need to find a club near you. You could search by your address using the search bar, or click on Use My Current Location to find and locate a club near you. After searching, click on the Review Plans button beside the club you prefer. Now, select a membership. There are two options, PF Black Card and Classes. PF Black Card costs $24.99 per month plus taxes and fees. It allows access to any club, bring a guest anytime, and more. But this is just a limited offer. While the Classic membership costs $10 per month plus taxes and fees, which gives you unlimited access to your home club. Next, enter your personal information such as the first and last name, email, phone number, gender, birthday, and home address. After entering, click on Continue. To complete, enter your payment info. On the fields provided, enter your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Then for the recurring payment, select either to use the same credit card, or use a different card. You may also use a bank account. After that, click on Continue. Lastly, read the membership agreement. After reading, click on the tick boxes. Then for member signature, enter your name on the field provided. And after that, click on the Join Now button. That's how you sign up for Planet Fitness. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.